La 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 la. Here we go. I don't know who we are or where we're going right now. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Here we go. Yeah. All alone? No. I'm with myself, hanging out, thinking something now. I don't know what to do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm all by myself, sitting here in a green room. What do I do? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sitting here and I don't know what to do, 'cause everybody's doing something in the world. And when I try to work, I can't work with all these idiots in this world. So I wonder if I'll ever be like anyone else. I don't know. No, I don't. Oh, I don't wanna be like you right now. I don't wanna conform to your little mold. But yeah, you want me to be another little gingerbread man. I don't think like you, and I don't look like you, so I'm not gonna be another gingerbread man like you. No, you could put a little hat on me, put a little jacket on me, and leave me hanging on a tree. I don't think so. I'm not looking like you, not a little gingerbread man just like you, not a copy. No, I don't wanna be a copy like you. So what do I do so I can be an individual? I think I will be someone one day. I already stand out, and that makes people pissed. Hey, I do what I want. Sometimes it gets me in a lot of trouble. Hey, that's what characters do. I guess I don't know, 'cause I've never met any other characters, but on television I met a lot of other characters. I've met some actors. I've met radio announcers. I've met band people and stars in different bands. But they don't matter. Oh no, they don't. 'Cause they're all conforming, yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just bored as hell. So some people will argue with me. So what can I say? When you're bored, you say a lot of shit that you don't mean. Or maybe it's true. I don't know. So I'm not becoming another gingerbread man. Ha ha. Goodbye. Bye. Why?